I just built a pitch deck that looked like it came from 2050 in just 60 seconds. If you're tired of investors that are ignoring your slides because they look like everyone else's, you need to see this next-gen workflow. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is Design AI, and of course, I will put their link tree in the description of the video. That way you could go ahead and check out all their socials as well as their website when you do your own research. Now, I prepared some prompts that will help us out in creating that next level pitch deck in just a few minutes. So let's start off by putting the prompt for this one. Now, these are the slides that we would like to be included in that pitch deck. So let's go ahead and generate that design. Now, as you guys all know now, when you put a good prompt in an artificial intelligence tool, it will provide and give you the best possible output. So if you have like a more specific prompt that you could come up, like the background, the theme, and all that, as well as all of the information that's going to be included in that document, then you will get a really good outcome or result for that. Now, we will have this generated, and after that, we will do some edits and try to enhance it more and more to look as awesome as it could get. All right, so now it's done. You have that. Here's what I have updated, all of the necessary stuff that I included in my initial prompt. And you will be able to scroll through from here, okay? Up, next, all that. All right, now what is the next one that I want to do? Now, we want to put in and also put a story on this one. So I'm going to highlight the vision paragraph and use that improved text. Click on this box right here. And of course, you could double click on that and manually put in and edit the text on that. But we're not going to do that as of yet. We will click on refine and click on more professional right here. Now it's going to work and revise the words to make it more professional. Now, guys, Venngage is presented as an expansive creative platform that is featuring more than 100 free AI-powered design tools that you could actually utilize. And those are tailored for creators, founders, and individuals without formal design background. Now, if you are like me that, really don't want to tinker around with all the text, with all the details, the word stuff, because I'm that type of person that loves to do the videos, the content, and all that, but like the documentation and stuff, it's not really what I love to do. I feel like it's boring for me. So if there is like an artificial intelligence that could help me in doing this the soonest possible time with, very limited effort, that way I could, delegate my time to focusing more on creating the videos, creating the contents, the things that basically matters the most with the ones that I do, then I would take advantage of that. So now we already have it changed. Okay, so this is the one that's written earlier, accelerating human progress, yada, yada. Now it's pioneering the democratization of quantum advantage through scalable enterprise-grade computational infrastructure. Now, the next thing that I want to do, guys, all right, let me do this. I would like to create an image, right, that I could actually integrate for this one. Okay, so you would be able to do that, of course. And that is one thing that is really, really neat. And the one that I really love about this one is because, I'm not that creative in creating images or editing images. And if an AI tool would be able to do that for me, then that is actually a great thing. All right, look at that. So see, just like very modern, and you could actually control that to be in the background or be in front, like what I did. So you could move it to front, you could move it backward, you could resize it to however big you would like that to be. You could edit the size of the word stuff. Okay, you could all do that in there. Of course, I would strongly recommend that you test this one out yourself because this tool is supporting a wide range of content needs, which also includes the brochures, the infographics, the presentations, and the high-fidelity slide decks that users would be able to register at no cost and gain immediate access to more than 40 AI generators, which also enables you guys to quickly begin building professional grade visuals. Now, let me change this one. Okay, you will be able, if you don't like this, like, I feel like it could be something more, something else. I'm looking for something else. Click on modify. You could remove the background. You could replace the image. All right. So you would be able to basically do whatever available stuff in there is. Modify. Let's try this one. Remove background. And bam, look at that. Gosh. Now this one I love. All right. Because I could put it at the back. Now I could put it right there and make this one bigger, even if it overlaps. See this one? Oh my goodness. This is really nice. All right. So guys, again, I would recommend that you try and test this one out. You could edit the image more. Okay. You could do grayscale. You could sepia, warm, cool, retro, like everything. I mean, there are even sliders right here that you could actually utilize to make and customize that according to whatever or however you would like that to be. Okay, so now we could already export this one. Now we will go to File and Accessibility. Okay, if we click on this one, check accessibility right here. So you could check your design right there. So 12 issues detected, text size failed. You could actually fix that there. Color contrast. Okay, it's actually fixing all. All right, so this accessibility basically is a reminder that you could actually go ahead and check. So it actually checks on a lot of different things that it feels that needs to be fixed. But it's all up to you if you want to fix it or not. So if you have already checked the accessibility and if you are good with everything and you are ready to export that, up here on top where you have a download, okay, click on that one and you can choose the format. You have PNG, you have PDF. So for me, I normally upload it using PDF. So you just click on download and it will download that document that you did. And in just a few minutes, guys, you have already done a document that, like, if I do manually, it's going to take me hours and hours, if not days, if I need to put in a lot of different stuff. Still, like if there are like images that I would like to be included and all that. So I've actually downloaded the PowerPoint. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm going to download PDF. And once that download is done, you will be able to access the file. And you will see how really awesome it is. So once you have already downloaded that, you'll see right here. Look at this one, guys. I mean, it didn't even take me 15 minutes to create this. And I already have everything. So you could just go ahead and edit and put in all the necessary information about that, which it's going to take you just a few minutes to copy and paste and probably come up with something from probably ChatGPT or something and then put it in here, put all the details that you would like to be incorporated with your pitch deck or presentation, and you're done. So guys, stop sending boring decks and click the link below to Venngage and use the code FUTUREAI50 to get that 50% off on your annual premium or business plan. That's actually half off for a full year of that professional design tool. So guys, again, make sure to go ahead and check out Venngage. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Make sure to go ahead and also check out all their social media platforms right here. That way when they have updates, when they have announcements, promos, giveaways, anything and basically everything about Venngage, you will always be informed. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.